everybody, what's up? This is Tech House channel. So today we'll be discussing about the foldable iPhone. From the recent leaks and the rumors, it is confirmed that Apple is continuously working on foldable iPhones, but we can't expect to launch it sooner. It will be launched around 2024 or after 2022. From the non-leakster, John Prosser has confirmed that the first foldable phone from Apple will be clamshell fold. It will be as compact as the Galaxy Flip. So the foldable iPhone will have the screen size of 7.3 inches to 7.6 inches with AMOLED technology, and it may have the support of Apple Pencil. The foldable iPhone will may be the size of iPad mini. So these are the leaks of foldable iPhone. If you would like to know more about this type of content in future, stick with us. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.